What if I told you that an automobile could go from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.9 seconds? Would you believe it? Well, the Lamborghini Aventador does just that. This Italian powerhouse, nestled in a sleek, aerodynamic shell, is a marvel of speed and agility. Its jaw-dropping acceleration is not just about the numbers, it's about the sheer force you feel when the engine roars to life, catapulting you forward with the might of 1,000 horses. And if that's not impressive enough, consider this. The Aventador can reach a staggering top speed of 217 mph. That's faster than most planes take off at. These figures aren't just for show, they make the Lamborghini Aventador one of the fastest production cars in the world. Yes, the Lamborghini Aventador is a beast on wheels, a testament to the marvels of modern engineering. The Aventador didn't just appear out of thin air, it's the result of years of design and engineering prowess. Let's take a moment to delve into the captivating history of the Lamborghini Aventador, a car that has not only turned heads but also redefined the standards of luxury sports cars. Our journey begins in 2011. The world of automobiles was about to witness an evolution. Lamborghini, a name synonymous with innovation and style, was gearing up to replace one of its reigning champions, the Murcielago. The stage was set, and the Aventador made its grand debut. The Aventador, like its siblings in the Lamborghini family, carries a name with a powerful backstory. A tradition of the Italian car manufacturer is to name its models after famous fighting bulls, and the Aventador is no exception. The bull Aventador was a particularly courageous specimen from the world of Spanish bullfighting, renowned for its raw power and defiant spirit. The name was not a choice made lightly. It was a statement, a declaration that this vehicle was set to embody the same characteristics as its namesake. And boy, did it deliver. The Aventador, with its sleek design and unparalleled performance, quickly established itself as a force to be reckoned with in the automobile industry. The creation of the Aventador was not a task taken lightly. It required the collaborative effort of a dedicated team of engineers, designers, and craftsmen. They worked tirelessly, pouring their expertise and passion into each detail. The result? A car that is as much a work of art as it is a feat of engineering. The Aventador is more than just a car. It's a testament to Lamborghini's unwavering commitment to innovation and performance. It's a symbol of the brand's rich history and its vision for the future. Every curve, every line, and every roar of the engine tells a story of dedication, hard work, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. From its conception to production, every aspect of the Aventador is steeped in Lamborghini's rich history and passion for performance. This beast was born out of a love for speed and a drive for excellence, and thus, a legend was born. At the heart of this beast is a roaring V12 engine, the last of its kind. This is not just any engine, we're talking about a 6.5-liter, naturally aspirated V12 engine that sits at the core of the Lamborghini Aventador. This is the heart of the beast, and it's an engineering marvel that's been refined over decades of Italian craftsmanship. Each cylinder of this massive power plant is precisely engineered to deliver optimal performance. When you put your foot down, there's an immediate response. There's no waiting, no delay. The Aventador's V12 roars to life, unleashing an impressive 690 horsepower. That's enough to propel this automotive beast from 0 to 60 in less than 3 seconds. But it's not just about raw power, it's about how that power is delivered. The Aventador uses a unique ISR transmission system, or independent shifting rods. This isn't your average automatic transmission. The ISR system is a 7-speed single-clutch design that is lighter and more compact than a traditional dual-clutch transmission. What makes the ISR system unique is its ability to pre-select the next gear before you've even shifted. This results in lightning-fast gear changes, providing a driving experience that's as smooth as it is exhilarating. And let's not forget about the sound. The roar of the Aventador's V12 is a symphony of mechanical perfection. It's a sound that stirs the soul, a sound that's become synonymous with the Lamborghini brand. This engine, this heart of the beast, is more than just a collection of moving parts. It's a testament to Lamborghini's dedication to performance and innovation. It's a symbol of their relentless pursuit of automotive perfection. The Aventador's V12 engine isn't just powerful, it's a living, breathing monster that's ready to pounce at the slightest provocation. But the Aventador is more than just raw power and blistering speed. This beast is also about opulence. Imagine sliding into seats swathed in the finest hand-stitched Italian leather, luxury at your fingertips. The comfort is unparalleled, the craftsmanship unrivaled. You are cocooned in a world of advanced technology. The infotainment system, a marvel of modern engineering, brings the world to your dashboard. It's not just about connecting with the road, but also with the world around you, all while maintaining a blistering pace. But let's not forget the exterior. The Aventador's aerodynamic design is a testament to Lamborghini's commitment to pushing boundaries. The use of carbon fiber in its construction speaks to a meticulous attention to detail and a relentless pursuit of perfection. This isn't just a car, it's a work of art, a testament to human ingenuity. The Aventador is a perfect blend of power, luxury, and style, a car that doesn't just drive, it commands the road. The Lamborghini Aventador is not just a car, it's a legend that continues to evolve. As we cast our gaze towards the horizon, we can't help but wonder, what's next for this iconic beast? Whispers in the industry hint at a hybrid successor, a fusion of roaring power and sustainable technology. As intriguing as this sounds, it's not a far-fetched concept. The Aventador has always been Lamborghini's testament to breaking barriers, a beacon of their relentless pursuit of perfection. Its evolution over the years has consistently pushed the envelope, setting new standards in automotive design and performance. This legendary supercar, with its unmistakable silhouette and unrivaled power, has become a symbol, an emblem of Lamborghini's commitment to innovation and excellence. As we look to the future, one thing's for sure. The legend of the Lamborghini Aventador is far from over. This beast is set to evolve, to roar louder, and to continue thrilling us with its prowess.